Hi everyone. I was recently trading war stories, if you will, with a couple of other attorneys, and we were discussing sort of the weirdest cases we've handled. And the nature of personal injury work and insurance defense work lends itself to some fairly bizarre scenarios. My craziest case involved me representing a restaurant that was the greasy spoon that people would flock to after the bars had last call. And in this case, the plaintiff had suffered some fairly bad injuries to her hand and arm when she cut herself on a sink that broke in the ladies' room. She alleged that she was washing her hands and leaning and pressing on the front of the sink when the sink fell off the wall, and that she fell onto the sink, and as the sink broke, she cut herself. My client had heard from several witnesses that the plaintiff had actually been sitting on the sink, urinating in it because there were no open or available toilets in the ladies' room. So this case proceeds to trial, and just to make what is already a fairly bizarre case more interesting, we had an unwilling witness who was there under subpoena on what turned out to be her 21st birthday. The judge dismissed everyone for lunch with instructions to return at a certain time. And this young lady decided she was not going to return because it was her birthday and she was planning on going to the beach. Well, the judge issued a bench warrant for her arrest, and my understanding is the deputies found her and locked her up, and she got to spend her 21st birthday in jail without all the fun that may have come with that under normal circumstances. The case proceeded to trial. The jury was out for 13 minutes and came back and returned a verdict in favor of my client, finding that they had done nothing wrong, they were in no way negligent, and actually several of the jurors said that they believed that the plaintiff had been urinating in the sink, and one juror asked if they could make her pay for my client's sink. Opposing counsel and I are friends, and we still see each other fairly regularly. In this case, always comes up, and we get a good chuckle out of it. But that probably is the craziest, most bizarre case I have had to litigate in my career so far. Hope everyone has a great day, and hope everyone gets to enjoy this weather as it's finally starting to feel like fall.